As much as Mother Nature wants to hold on to the cold weather, spring is about to blossom. Let's welcome in the warm weather and spring with these little treats. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Gift Guru. I am Gigi, the Gift Guru. If you are new here, welcome, and if not, welcome back. Spring is blossoming soon. What is it, March the 20th? And I can honestly say that spring is one of my top two, not my number one, but my top two favorite season of the year, next to fall. So this video is the top 5 gifts or items that you can buy yourself or others for springtime. But hold up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below, what is your favorite thing to do in the springtime? So we're going to sit back, relax, and you know we're about to get onto this. All the gifts and activities that are mentioned in this video are going to be in the description box below. Let's go. What is one thing you think of when you think of springtime? Of course, plants and flowers blooming. Whether you want the plants in your back or front yard, or just want some of that beauty inside, these flower pots can add the perfect touch to any bouquet of flowers. Even the person who doesn't like traditional flowers is going to get a kick out of this vase. Now, of course, I have to bring this outside because it is springtime. Time to finally let go of those winter coats eventually and play out in the backyard or start your garden again. Now, gardens are hard work, and the older you get, the more you feel it in your body. So why not use this garden seat to help those old achy bones and to continue to love the thing that you do? Decorate and take care of your garden with this watering can and garden flag. With these items, you can bring the garden and beauty from the outside to the inside. Bring some of your favorite flowers and other plants inside your house. Have a little bit of spring sprinkled into each room of your house, beginning at the front door and ending in the kitchen and dining room. Of course, I couldn't leave out the bedroom or living room. It's probably the main space where you spend most of your time at. With temperatures being up and down around this time of the year, there's always going to be a use for a throw blanket. And don't forget to get your baby one as well. Unfortunately, I still feel like masks are going to be around for at least a couple of more months. COVID seems like she is just holding on for dear life. Give COVID a run for her money with this video right here. It could show you more ways to prevent you from getting COVID and keep your normal life. Listen, spring is upon us. Why not bring springtime to your mask and make sure you get plenty of sleep? Spring is one of the most beautiful times of the year. The flowers begin to grow and you could just sense the change in the air. Now, I know in my park in particular, cherry blossom trees begin to grow. Why not go to your local park or even just your backyard and see the native life? Or you can go berry picking. Now, this next activity, I myself am not good at, but it's still fun, and that is kayaking. Or if you're looking for a little change in your life, why not have a garage sale? You can even hold it online. The point is just to enjoy your time with your loved ones. Remember, giving a gift is more than just opening up your wallet. It is opening up your heart. Be safe out there. Gigi out. Now, I know in my area in particular, cherry blossom trees begin to grow. Why not? What is a not? Okay. Have it online. The point is just to spend time with your family and friends. That's not what I say. Just enjoy the time. Looking for a little change in your life? Why not have a garage? It never fails. It's always a helicopter, an airplane, or a train, or an ambulance. Are we done? Okay.